Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Who couldn't use a little extra cash? Even if it's just to buy that ridiculously overpriced latte. We're always hearing about side hustles, but who has the time or energy? Well, AI is changing the game. With the power of artificial intelligence, we can automate ourselves to success. In this video, we're diving into AI-powered side hustles that can have you raking in the dough with minimal effort. You down? Let's go! Let's kick things off with my personal fave, AI-powered copywriting tools. Writing can be a real drag, but AI to the rescue. If you've ever pulled an all-nighter trying to write a blog post or catchy social media caption, AI is about to become your new bestie. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper are like having a team of super-powered writers generating high-quality content faster than you can say side hustle. And the best part? They work around the clock, so you can finally get that beauty sleep you've been dreaming of. So how do you actually make money from this AI copywriting magic? Buckle up, because it's about to get good. First, pick your weapon of choice. ChatGPT has a free version, and Jasper offers a free trial. Once you've assembled your arsenal, pick your niche. What gets you fired up? Personal finance, health and wellness, tech. Let that AI loose on your chosen niche and watch the content practically write itself. You can sell this masterpiece directly to clients who are desperate for amazing content, or create your own blog and monetize it with ads and affiliate marketing. Trust me, the possibilities are endless. We've conquered the world of words, but what about visuals? We live in a world obsessed with aesthetics. AI-powered graphic design is here to save the day. Whether it's eye-catching graphics for social media, a sleek website design, or marketing materials, tools like Canva and Design Hill AI are your new secret weapon. Ready to unleash your inner design diva? It's easier than you think. First stop, Canva. This platform is a game changer with its free version packed with design goodies. Or if you're feeling fancy, Design Hill offers a free logo maker that will have you feeling like the CEO of your own empire. Start by playing around with different templates and designs. See what vibes with your side hustle or business idea. Once you've mastered the basics, turn your newfound skills into a money-making machine. Offer your design services to clients or create your own digital products, like printable planners or social media templates. The internet is your oyster, my friend. We've tackled words and visuals, so naturally it's time to conquer the world of video. Video is everything these days. But editing? It can feel like a never-ending black hole of despair. Fear not, because AI-powered video editing tools like InVideo and Pictory are here to rescue us. You can create professional-looking videos faster than ever before. These tools are like having your own personal editing crew, minus the drama and hefty price tag. Ready to become the next Spielberg? Signing up for InVideo or Pictory is your first step. Both platforms offer free trials, so you can test out their movie magic before committing. Upload your raw video footage or even just a simple text script, and prepare to be amazed as the AI works its magic. Once you've created your video masterpiece, the world is your oyster. Offer your editing skills as a service, or create captivating content for YouTube, social media, or businesses that need engaging video content. So, there you have it. We've explored the world of AI-powered side hustles, and the possibilities are endless. AI is making it easier than ever to start a side hustle with minimal investment. With the right tools, you can automate tasks and focus on scaling your business. Whether you're writing, designing, or editing videos, there's an AI tool out there to help you get started today. Make sure to try out the free versions of these tools before committing to any paid plans. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using AI to grow your business. Links to the tools mentioned are in the description below if you're interested. See you in the next video.